Hello everybody, and welcome back to lesson 10 out of 15 of our digital SAT reading and writing course. Today's lesson is going to be on logical choices. So today's is pretty straightforward. It should be very quick, so hopefully we'll get through it quickly today. What you need to know. First of all, presentation. You'll be presented with an array of bulleted points about various topics. You're going to be asked to use the information provided to logically create a statement based on a previously chosen topic. And of course, it's important to make sure you only choose bulleted points that are directly relevant. So let's just get straight into it. While researching a topic, a student has taken the following notes. The Gola are a group of African Americans who have lived in parts of the southeastern United States since the 18th century. Gola culture is influenced by West African and Central African traditions. Louise Miller Cohen is a Gola historian, storyteller, and preservationist. She founded the Gola Museum of Hilton Head Island, South Carolina in 2003. Vermel Rodriguez is a Gola historian, artist, and preservationist. She founded the Gola Museum of Georgetown, South Carolina in 2003. Now, this is the prompt. The student wants to emphasize the duration and purpose of Cohen's and Rodriguez's work. Which choice most effectively uses relevant information from the notes to accomplish the goal? Now, this is the part where we need to look at this logically. So, we're trying to see here, what is the relevant information that accomplishes the duration and purpose of the two women's work? So, if we look at A, it says, at the Gola Museums in Hilton Head Island, Georgetown, South Carolina, visitors can learn more about the Gola people who have lived in the region for centuries. Now, one of the key things about this that's missing here is the duration. There's no duration for A, so let's go to B. Louise Miller Cohen and Vermel Rodriguez have worked to preserve the culture of the Gola people who have lived in the United States since the 18th century. So this one, it does have the purpose, but it doesn't actually have the duration. It has how long the Gola people have lived in the United States, but we're looking for the duration of the two women's work, not how long the people have been living here for. So the actual duration of their work has not been mentioned in B. C. Since 2003, Louise Miller Cohen and Vermel Rodriguez have worked to preserve Gola culture through their museums. This is a very good option. You see, they have been working since 2003, and the purpose of it is to preserve Gola culture through their museums. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. While researching a topic, a student has taken the following notes. The factors that affect clutch size, the number of eggs laid at one time, have been well studied in birds, but not in lizards. A team led by Shai Mary of Tel Aviv University investigated which factors influence lizard clutch size. Mary's team obtained clutch size and habitat data for over 3,900 lizard species and analyzed the data with statistical models. Larger clutch size was associated with environments in higher latitudes that have more seasonal change. Lizards in higher latitude environments may lay larger clutches to take advantage of shorter windows of favorable conditions. Now, the student wants to emphasize the aim of the research study. Which choice most effectively uses relevant information from the notes to accomplish this goal? Let's look at A. Researchers wanted to know which factors influence lizard egg clutch size because such factors have been well studied in birds but not in lizards. This is definitely the aim of the research study. And A is actually the correct answer choice here. Okay, why is B wrong? B is wrong because, so B talks about what the findings of the study were, but not what the aim of the study was. Okay, why is C wrong? Once again, okay, this is a conclusion of the study, but it was not the aim of the study. And D is wrong because this is the method, but it's not the aim. So let's move on. While researching a topic, a student has taken the following notes. Started in 1925, the Scripps National Spelling Bee is a US-based spelling competition. The words used in the competition have diverse linguistic origins. In 2008, Samir Mishra won by correctly spelling the word guerdon. Guerdon derives from the Anglo-French word guerdon. In 2009, Keva Shivanshankar won by correctly spelling the word laudation. Laudation derives from the ancient Greek word laudikeia. The student wants to emphasize the difference in the origin of the two words. Which choice most effectively uses relevant information from the notes to accomplish this goal? A. Guerdon, the final word of the 2008 Scripps National Spelling Bee, is of Anglo-French origin, while the year's following word, laudation, derives from ancient Greek. This directly talks about the difference in the origins of the two words. And once again, A is also the correct answer here. See how very straightforward this is. Why is B wrong? B talks about what they spell and doesn't emphasize the difference in origin of the two words. Right here it's asking you to emphasize. There's no emphasis here being placed on the origins of the word. This one emphasizes the origin of the Greek word, but doesn't emphasize the difference in the origins. And D mentions about how the words have diverse linguistic origins, but the question is asking you to emphasize the difference in the origins of the two words, specifically word-on and loud addition. This says it uses words from diverse linguistic origins. That's a general statement. It uses the two words as examples, but it doesn't emphasize the difference in those two specifically. So that's how we know A is correct. Of course, some final tips. 1. Preview the bulleted points, read the question, and pick only the relevant choices. This one should be the easiest topic on the reading and writing SAT. All you have to do is look at the bulleted points, look at what the prompt is asking you, and pick only the ones that directly relate to the prompt. So, with only a little bit of practice, you should be able to master this topic. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. It really helps me create more free videos. And of course, good luck on any SATs in the future.